So, I didn't respond. Hey guys, today I'm joined by my friend Lottie, and we are going to bake Christmas cookies.
And ask questions that you guys asked us.
Let's just get started with the video. Before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that, as some of y'all already know, I have a new goal to hit 4,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I can't do this without your help, so share this video with at least one friend and let me know in the comments down below for a chance to get a shout out in the next video. Here are today's shout outs. Back to the video. So, quick backstory. Lottie, whenever we cook stuff together, we've tried baking stuff together in the past many times. It never works out.
I just got my hand.
Like one time we had a cake that fell apart.
It was actually
it was really good though, because we dipped it in chocolate. It was so good.
No, I don't like chocolate.
Well, I dipped it in chocolate.
Awkward.
So we're just gonna do our best. While we're baking, we're gonna answer some questions that you guys asked me on my channel. We need to cream together the butter and sugars.
Okay, the first question was asked by Lottie Fairs.
Have you ever heard of her? No,
I haven't
look at
either.
me.
Yes, since Hope's gone, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a proper hey. So you have your hand. Who is your favorite teacher you ever had?
Definitely Lottie. We were in 3rd grade and played school.
Yeah, I was actually really good.
This looks so good, but I've tried it before when it's just this and it tastes really bad, so
Yeah,
try
that looks yummy, doesn't it?
It's literally butter and sugar.
Oh, can I crack? No, I don't like cracking eggs. How do you feel about getting monetized? I feel wonderful. Actually, I do.
How do you feel about getting monetized?
Okay, next
Oh wait, you quit your YouTube channel after posting 5 videos.
How long have you known each other?
Since the summer before 3rd grade.
What is your favorite things about each other?
Next question.
What is your pet peeves of each other?
This might be a longer video than I was expecting. Didn't eat that? It's good, isn't it?
No. Ew. Can we add chocolate chips to it?
No, it's not that type of cookie.
Please?
That needs to add more flour.
So good.
You just said it was bad.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
I'm going to edit in the clip of you saying that, but it's disgusting.
I literally didn't say that, Hope.
It's good, isn't it?
No. Ew. Pet peeve.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I know. When you talk about your YouTube channel all the time.
I do not all the time.
If we look through our texts, it's the only text
I ask you what
about
thumbnail.
the thumbnail.
Yes, I do ask you what thumbnails I should do because I trust you for that stuff. I actually try and start conversations and you're just like, same. Okay. Sounds great.
Anywho, yours for mine.
You can never make up your mind. I'm like, oh, what should we have for lunch? And I don't know, you pick.
I don't like choosing.
What type of cookies do you want to make? I don't care.
I don't like choosing.
What do you want to do right now? I don't know, you pick. And then whenever I say a suggestion, she's like,
How did you meet?
I actually remember the story really well. It was my first year at the country club pool. She had been to that pool for a long time. And I met one of her friends. Her name is Addie. And then I went to have lunch with Addie, and I met Addie and her older sister. And then she came by later, and she had a super high voice, was super energetic. And she was like, hi, and I was like, hi. Someone said, oh, what grade are you going to? And I go, 3rd. And she was like, me too.
Can you show us a little bit of dancing?
Oh,
Yes.
fine.
No, stop. I'm better.
You flour the surface, all the stuff away.
What?
Your hair!
What?
It's full of flour. Turn this way, turn this way,
Get
turn this way.
out.
We've been filming for 30 minutes. It's gonna take so long to edit.
How was Hope off camera? She's crazy.
So now we're going to decorate the cookies. We have all the cookies here. We have blue, red, green, and white frosting, and then we have some sprinkles. And we have some over there too. So Lottie's about to get picked up, so we need to be fast.
They're going to get gas.
Yep.
And who knows how long that will take. It's only Madeline's second time getting gas.
Honestly, I feel like our decorations turn out really good, but really bad at the same time, you know?
I think you mean mine will turn out good and yours will turn out bad.
Get your ones that you're gonna do for the thumbnail.
Also, I actually got nickel in the blue.
Yeah.
Have the green and the red, please.
Yeah.
No, the icing.
Ow! Obviously, we're not answering questions right now, but I saw a question earlier that someone had asked. Have we ever gotten in a fight, and how did we get over it? Yes, we've definitely gotten in fights. She's kind of annoying, honestly.
I honestly am.
No, but we're both like super stubborn, so when we get into fights, it's not good because we both like don't stop thinking we're right.
We haven't gotten in like a big fight.
No, never a big one, but we've gotten a lot of little ones. Not a lot. But
Where I guessed your member number wrong.
at our club, we have member numbers, and she was convinced it was this one thing, and I kept on like telling her it wasn't. I kind of winked at my sister when Lottie was asking her what our member number was, and she said that Lottie was right, and then I ordered something using not that member number, and it was kind of funny. Taste test. Oh god. It's really thick though.
Like me.
What cute Lottie. This is going on YouTube for the whole world to see. Okay, so that is the end of the bake with me. Here are all of our cookies. Oh. There are all of our cookies. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!